guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I'm Yazad and I post baking videos and vlogs and fun challenges with my friends. So subscribe for fun. And yep, so today's video is about a 1-minute mug lava cake. I mean, it sounds tempting, it looks tempting, and it tastes. So yeah, let's get started with the video, and I hope you'll enjoy it and I hope you'll try making it as well. So let's go. So this is pretty simple. In a mug you add 5 tablespoons of flour followed by 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then you mix all the dry ingredients. Once the dry ingredients are all mixed, we add the wet ingredients. So 3 tablespoons of milk, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water and mix it well. Finally, add chocolate chips and mix. The main part, the chocolate. You dip the chocolate inside the batter for the lava element, how many ever chocolates you want to. And then cover it with the batter. Place it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes until you know that it's cooked thoroughly. It's worth the wait. Hallelujah. Once done, remove it gently. Look at the texture, guys. It's so good. I mean, yeah. Poke a fork or a knife to see if it's done. And yup, ready to take the bite. Gooey lava. I mean, who does not love this? And there's still more to finish. I have put a playlist in the card section or at the end screen, and all the recipes which I've made before are there. So if you want simple 3 ingredient and 5 ingredient recipes, that playlist is for you. And that's it for the video. You know the drill. Like, share, comment if you want to see any more baking videos or any more 3 ingredient recipes, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye. Special thanks to the Kagra who wants his awaj in the video, because Corno he is doing ka ka ka. So let's give it up for Kagra. I'm not going to do this.